sellers of Apple World today here. I'm going to show you how to install 32 gigabytes of memory in one of the 2017 27-inch iMacs. It's easy to do and you'll want to do it yourself because you can order 32 gigabytes of memory as I did from OWC Mac sales. It cost you about $300, but to order an iMac from Apple with that installed, it's going to cost you $600. So if you want to save yourself $300, order it yourself and put it in, and here's how you do it. Now it's sort of dark under here, so I'm going to turn on a lantern so you can see what I'm doing better. First of all, you're going to put your iMac down on a towel or some kind of soft surface because as expensive as they are, you don't want to scratch that screen. Then you're going to raise the leg up and you're going to have to pop out this thing, which is where the memory is under. You could probably do it with your hand, but it's easier for me to do it. And I'm working around the lantern here by using my Swiss Army knife. So you punch that. It pops right off. Then you raise up the memory things and you take out the modules that Apple ships with it, which requires a little bit of tugging to do. So you're going to take both of those out. It comes with only 8 gigabytes of memory. So you're going to take those out. Then you're going to install the 4 memory cards that come from OWC. So, like I say, easier said. It's not hard, but if you can't see what you're doing, then you're going to have to insert them and then press them till they click into place. Make sure I've got them lined up correctly. Nope, let's try it this way. Okay, clip them in one at a time. Make sure they click firmly into place. There we go, there we go. Then once you have all 4 of them, then you simply push them back in there till they click into place. And then you're going to take your cover, press it back on. I'll make sure I'm pressing all the way. And voila, you now have an iMac with 32 gigabytes of memory, 4 times what Apple will send you as the default configuration, and you've saved yourself $300. Good luck with this, and this is a tip from Apple World Today.
Visit Apple World Today on the web at appleworld.today and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.